All right, guys, live market rundown for Wednesday, the 30th of August. Finally, let's get into the charts. First pair, GBP CAD. GBP CAD. So, the daily is bullish. 4 hour is bearish, but at least we will be going up a little bit higher as we still have a lot of imbalance areas left above. This is also indicated by the 1 hour structure beneath that you can see was very impulsive up, leaving all this imbalance behind and then coming down in a very corrective way without imbalance. So that's the difference between an impulse and a correction. An impulse leaves behind imbalance, a correction fills it on its way down. So now we're waiting for it to form the confirmation to enter, and then we will actually be zooming in on the 15-minute to buy in line with the 1 hour. We will not be entering on the 1 hour because that will be trading against the 4 hour. So therefore we will be buying on the 15-minute for shorter term trades in line with the 1 hour. GBP USD, the daily is bearish, making its way into the daily fib extension. But as you can see, look at this very strong reaction, leaving behind imbalance. So we know there's definitely some will to go towards the upside. And yet again, as the last pair was also a GBP pair, there is imbalance here, here, and that daily 4 hour imbalance also looks very beautiful. We also still have this level of liquidity left behind. So even if it would just want to pop into this 4 hour imbalance to make a 4 hour lower high, to then continue along with the daily into the fib extension you see over here, we will be able to buy on the 15-minute to take out this liquidity. So let's zoom into the 1 hour, and here again you can see a very clear impulse up, correction down. That daily level of imbalance I showed you guys, I'll show you again. This is that daily level of imbalance because the wicks are not touching here. It's very clearly visible on the 1 hour as well. So I'm looking for it to come in here, form the setup, then we zoom into the 15-minute and take the buys at least into this imbalance, possibly even into the 4 hour imbalance. This was liquidity, not imbalance. USD JPY. The daily has reached its fib extension. So then we know that the 4 hour will likely break structure. So this will likely get taken out, but we will not be pushing it to see. Only when this breaks, we will be ready to take a lot more sells all the way into these areas over here on the daily that I'm showing you right now. But the 4 hour just made a 4 hour higher high by a 1 hour break of structure. So the 1 hour has already broke structure. The 4 hour is still bullish. So for that reason, we are not selling on the 1 hour because that will be going against the 4 hour trend. So what we're doing now is we're just being patient. It's just coming into this 4 hour fib extension, this 4 hour imbalance. So as you can see, very strong impulse, lots of imbalance. Going up correctively, no imbalance, only here, but I'm expecting multiple legs. So we're waiting here for the formation to zoom into the 15-minute and take the sells on the 15-minute in line with the 1 hour trend. Then two more that are closer to actually happening at this moment. The daily is bullish, 4 hour is bearish. As you can see, we had this liquidity got taken out, formed a reaction. So this is quite impressive. Now I would be interested in selling this on the 4 hour itself, but I'm actually not doing that because the daily is bullish and we always flow with the one above. So we zoom into the 1 hour and there we can sell. Very strong impulse, quite a slow correction. But as you can see, we still have this imbalance left behind. So I'm not really excited about where it is right now. I'm actually expecting it to form multiple legs, take out that imbalance, come back up, possibly form the liquidity, take it out, and that's when we're able to sell on the 1 hour. So a little bit more development needed on this one, but it is beautiful because we can sell on the 1 hour and the 15-minute because the 4 hour is bearish as well. Therefore, we can sell on the 1 hour. Euro USD. Daily is very interesting. This is actually my favorite pair right now because the daily higher high came down. We actually now confirmed a daily higher low because this was perfect liquidity. I'll just mark it daily equal lows. Impulse up, lots of imbalance, correction coming down, took this liquidity, strong formation. Not only a strong formation that leaves behind imbalance, indicated we're in an impulse, but also breaking 4-hour structure in the process, as you can see right here. Now this 4-hour move still has room to go because we still have the 4-hour fib extension right here. So for that reason, I can zoom in to the 1 hour and see how this moves. Yet again, it's all fractal on all time frames. It's all the same stuff. Impulse up, correction down. So now we'll be waiting for the formation to take shape and go into the 4-hour fib extension level. If this, however, would keep going down, it's also not a problem because then we will be able to buy on the 4-hour. As this daily is bullish, we can buy on the 4-hour, 1 hour, and 15-minute. So there are so many, let's say we do this to make those daily higher highs. We have so many setups just in this little leg up because it's a daily time frame. So that is the reason. That is the reason why this is quite interesting. And I will keep you guys updated. Euro USD. Also, tonight we're having the live market rundown where you guys can stop me at any possible moment you would like and let me explain what I'm actually saying if you guys don't understand certain things. This is for the premium group. So if you would like to take a look inside that, definitely let us know, me and Ed, and we'll get it set up. I'll keep you guys updated and best of luck in the markets.